Dark chocolate meditation. A tasty meditation that anyone can do. The goal of meditation isn't to control your thoughts, it's to stop letting them control you. Dark chocolate meditation. Similar to other mindfulness exercises, dark chocolate meditations can be practiced anywhere you would like by following these simple steps. Step 1. After finding a comfortable location, start to regulate the speed of your breathing by mentally counting to 3 as you inhale slowly through your nose, and to 5 as you slowly exhale through your mouth. Step 2. Allowing a few seconds to pass, let your mind clear all thoughts as you continue focusing on your breathing. Step 3. Next, place a small piece of dark chocolate between your thumb and forefinger. Step 4. Drawing your senses on the delectable object, take a few more seconds to fully engage how it looks and feels pressed against your fingers. Become aware of its color and texture. Smell it, taking time to fully engage yourself in the moment. Step 5. Bringing the chocolate to your mouth, fully experience the feel of the chocolate as it touches your lips. Step 6. Taking a tiny bite, let the chocolate begin to melt in your mouth, savoring the taste and smell. Step 7. As you continue to focus on the present, slowly eat the small piece of chocolate until it is gone. Step 8. After enjoying the dark morsel, continue to clear your mind of any negative thoughts, as well as any residual stress or anxiety. You can practice dark chocolate meditation anytime that you feel anxious, as it only takes a minute to do, and will undoubtedly leave you in a more relaxed state of mind and body. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, share with a friend, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.